So I just did a taco review, okay? I just did a taco review, and then this guy comes over to me and he says, you know what, let me come try this. Now, I'm not an asshole, I'm not a dick. I'm gonna go ahead and try what the man is gonna tell me to go ahead and try. So let's go try this guy out. All right, so mainly we only do taco reviews, as everybody sees, but I'm over here doing my taco review at this place over here, and then this guy, he stacks me on over. He was just like, yo, I need you to try something. I got something for you that you need to go ahead and just let me know what your opinion is. Now, who am I? I'm not an asshole. I'm not a dick. I'm not gonna go ahead and sit there and shy from somebody who wants to give me something, wants me to try. This is what I do. I give back to the people. I'm making sure that you find this guy, and if it's exactly what it is. Now, he sells, what do we got? We got shawarmas. I don't even know what a shawarma is, but we're about to find out, and we're about to eat it. Apparently, it's like a taco slash from the Middle East. I'm gonna let you know exactly what it is once I find out what it is, because I don't even know what it is. I know how to eat a taco. Shawarma. Now these guys have the audacity to put, you gotta look at the sign, I'm gonna go ahead and put the sign over here because these guys, now typically I wouldn't just say, you know what, oh yeah, I'm all about it, let's go try it, but because of their sign that they have for their food truck, forget about it, you gotta try it. So I'm gonna wait for this guy to wrap me up, whatever he's gonna wrap me up, and then we're gonna give you our honest review. Alright, so we have Shawerma Hub. Shawerma Hub. So typically this is a Mediterranean type of food. At least this is what the guy told me. But this one in particular that he went ahead and hooked me up with, this one is an Egyptian style one. So this is Shawerma Hub as a 9167 Reseda Boulevard, Northridge, California. Shawerma Hub. I swear to God, probably the best sign I've seen in eating at about 1,000 taco trucks. 1,000. I even got an accent now. I don't even know where that came from. All of a sudden I have like a Middle Egyptian thing. And that's before I even ate it. So he went and hooked me up on this guy right here. So this is the first. What in the... what the hell is this guy? So hold on. I need to... this is kind of like I need to articulate what I'm doing right now and figure out what's going on right now. So this is fries. It's got like some sort of like a salsa on top of it. It's got this, I mean, I gotta try this in order for me to let you know, because he told me I don't want you to know, I want you to just surprise you. I want you to just try it. But he's got the jalapenos on there, the french fries, the sauce. I think it's got some chicken in there. I don't know what this sauce is, but we're about to figure this out, and I'm gonna need more napkins than this because this is just not gonna work out for me. Bumping the Egyptian music back in the background. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a bite. Now oh, it's got the cheese all up in that sucker right there. Shawerma Hub. Shawerma Hub. Let's see what Shawerma Hub. Right off the bat, this is fucking amazing. This is awesome. I don't even know what to compare this to. I don't know what exactly to put in the same category as this. It's mild. It's their fries are great. It's nice and crispy on the outside, nice and fluffy on the inside. The chicken is great. The salsa. I don't know what sauce is this. Hey, what kind of sauce is this? I'll get him later to see what kind of sauce this is. But the chicken, this is. And the cheese pull on this guy. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, eating this, you want to do nothing for the rest of the day, okay? You want absolutely nothing to do, because with this, you're just gonna go home, go to sleep, don't think about anything, you ain't gonna be working, no productivity, you're not gonna go to the gym. But so this is I don't even know what to compare. Egyptian style. This is like a carne asada fries type of thing, but like Egyptian style. Shawerma Hub. Like, what am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to compare this to? It's like a 9.5. 9.5 out of 10. This is like they're gonna be in the cartel group, in the shawarma cartel group of the valley. Shawerma Hub. Check them out. I'm gonna go eat the rest of this, and then I'm gonna go take like a 20-hour nap. I'll see you tomorrow because there's nothing else I'm gonna do after this. Shawerma Hub. 9.5 out of 10. That's the review. And for up to 50% commission rebate on your next real estate purchase or any mortgage assistant, link in the description below. Until next review, guys.